Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I want to do this video because I want you guys to accompany me to where I'm going. I'm going to Buribang High School. That is in Luribe. Not very far from my house because I'm literally walking there. Okay, it's not close, but it's not far. I don't know how many kilometers though. And I don't know the road. Okay. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Oh, okay. There's the road. Wait, guys, let me. So guys, I was asking guys about where the road is. One thing about Lesotho that I really love, like you can ask and people show you directions. I mean, anywhere, but I think it goes with being home and the whole feeling of being safe, you know. So guys, I'm going to Buribang High School. I'm going to seek for help for a certain student back home who I want them to go to school. He's very passionate about school, so that really means for him to go to school. So I hope social welfare will help him. So I have to get the documents for him to see that things go well. So anyway, I want to talk about something. I want to talk about how right now it's elections in Lesotho and how we are all hoping for change. And I hope things change for us because Lesotho needs a lot of changes. Guys, like, look at how our country is like. I hope things change for us because we need someone who is gonna take us out of the mystery. Already, Basotho ba kgona ho iketsetsa, ba kgona hore ha ba ka fuwa thuso ho tataisa fela ba ka tsamaya ka tataiso eno. Go hloka hore di-budgeteng tsa naga batjha ba kenyeletswe. Go hloka hore go bone hore mesebetsi e a hlaha. Go hloka go bona hore mesebetsi ha e fi batho ba go tsebahalang. Guys, we tired of hore mosebetsi se re tla di-line re emetse hore re tlo hirwa fe mesebetsi na le batho ba yona, because you already know someone who is hiring kapo sontso tseba hore mangona mama o tlo nka mama go re mesebetsi sentse re emetse fela re ya fela for formalities fela bana ba tseba hore mesebetsi ke a bo mang. Go kopa seno se change, go kopa moetapele ka nnete a tla ba Basotho pele hobane naha e ya moshasha ka nnete yona hloka thuso, and thuso e kgolo. Ke nahana hore mmuso o tla kena hona tje, re tshepetse ho wena ntate, re tshepetse hore se baetapele ba rona ba ka pele ba ile ba se etsa ho fetolwe melao ya Lesotho hore hona tjena tla fumana hothwe motho a ka tshwarwa ka bopeto fela ebe hosane motho ya jwalo o matha mona ha rona setjhabeng, o kenya bana ba bo rona le rona re le batho ba basadi thabong hape ya hore jwale re phele motho a tjena kapa motho a ka bolaya motho ebe wa tseba ho sa no tla ba tswile ka baka la hore melao rona hi very strict. Guys, ntse re sa melao ya kgale. We don't have anything of our own. Can that change also happen? Yo guys, re kgathetse ka nnete, and I hope things change for us. Okay, so I'm almost there. Yeah, but thank you guys for listening. I hope you guys see the real Lesotho. Let me show you That's how things be like. Literally, that's how things are like. And there's a lot of change that needs to happen. It's a government school. Ya gore bana ba fihle mono hantle dikolo di tseba gore di fihle di feletse bana empa dikolo ga dio gona tjena ke tsamaya ka maoto not because nka se patale but only because there isn't anything, there isn't like a means ya gore ke fihle mona ditsela di dikoti everywhere but tšhelete kena pakothong tsa baetapele ka nnete go kopa gore mmuso o ona ka nnete o bontshe phetogo batjha ba kgethile batjha ba eme ba kopa go thuswa ka mesebetsi ba kopa gore talent ya batjha e bonagalang e tsele e thuswe go be le kgatlapetso ya go bona gore naga ya Lesotho ya pele ka fumana gore motjha ka ba le idea ya hae e ka thusang naga empa ha ona ga re bone mmuso o kenya letsogo ka ga talente tsenono bana ba Basotho ba tlametse ba kgatlapise tšhelete tsa bona gore ba fitlhele ditarabelo tsa bona e tlametse etsa jalo fela mmuso le ona o tlametse bona gore o kenya letsogo gore batjheng ba gola gore naga e a gola. Thank you guys. Oh, literally I'm here. Yeah. Okay, you can't even see, but I'm almost there. I'm really almost there. By the way, this is like where my mom used to school. So yeah, that's school. That's where I am going.